Today is going to be a super long day. I get to continue the trend of doing shit that I have not done, and I'm going to be very uncomfortable doing it. So I get to pull this thing apart and like really fucking pull it apart. So intake manifold's coming off, heads are coming off. Hopefully my head stays on. Yeah, so replacing a shit ton of gaskets. And I don't know how that's going to go. So I get to drag a table over here and label the shit out of everything, and I don't know, hope I don't really fuck this thing up. I don't know. You're gonna watch, you're gonna see. I don't fuck. So first thing I get to do is drain the oil. Yay. Drain the coolant a fucking again, or you know, whatever's left over of the coolant that actually wanted to stay in the engine block, and then just start tearing this shit out of there. So the alternator's already out. Now we gotta take off the AC compressor again, get the AC accessory bracket off of there. Luckily the good old clutch fan can stay right where it's at, and I don't know, we'll go from there. The oil's draining in clumps. Probably not a good thing. Oh, and by the way, that's the second oil pan. And those of you that are astute would be like, well, that doesn't make sense. There's only 4 quarts of oil that went into this thing. Why are you on your second? Basically, we filled up the first one with nothing but coolant. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure the diagnosis is it was a blown head gasket. Yay! I don't know how, and I don't know why, but a portion of the cruise control system just clean cut yeeted itself away from the, yeah, look at that. It just clean chopped itself off. I don't understand you anymore, truck. Who's ready for a big fucking yikes? This guy is. So the intake manifold is out, and let's take a look what that looks like. Pretty slow going today. I was basically a lazy piece of shit, but she's basically naked. So the valve covers are off. They're absolutely disgusting. The exhaust manifolds are off. They're also absolutely disgusting. The work I do is absolutely disgusting and disgusting. Tomorrow's going to be a bright, fun-filled day of gaskets and cleaning and gaskets and cleaning and gaskets. Maybe I'll add fluid to this thing.